I'm Hayley.
And I'm Luke.
We have 4 kids and our puppy, and we've just put together a Springfree trampoline using the BILT app. If you're building the Springfree trampoline yourself, what you do is you'll open the box and you'll have a look at the instruction manual. You'll find a QR code in there. You scan that with the camera on your phone and it will take you to a link to download the BILT app. You choose which trampoline you'd like to use and then it'll take you step by step from the beginning to the end.
The BILT app was definitely the easiest way to go because it was step by step, and if we missed something you could go back and you could listen to it again. I'm a visual learner myself, so being able to see how it all comes together definitely made the experience a lot easier.
I found the BILT app was very helpful. It did also have extra sort of hints and notes in there just to make sure that you followed it through correctly and you didn't miss any steps and have to go all the way back and start all over again. So it was very, very helpful, yeah.
The most helpful part of the BILT app was a diagram of showing how to put the map onto the actual trampoline itself and stretch it out in the different angles to be able to get that tension to make it easy to connect it all up.
I would tell other parents attempting to install a Springfree, definitely download that app. It was an absolute godsend and it definitely made the process a lot smoother.